Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the shed. I'm Lonnie, and we are going to pull some orders for eBay, of course. It sold over the weekend. Also, I bought a lot of stuff well, not a lot, but a pretty good bit of stuff, and I packed it all on this shelf. Everything on this shelf is unlisted, so this may be kind of a stretch goal or something. I don't know what you'd call it, but my goal is to have this shelf clear by the end of the week. So at the end of the week, let's see what happens. I don't know if I can do it or not, but I think I can knock most of it out anyway, if not the whole thing. Yeah, let's go ahead and pull some orders. Let's see what's sold. Okay, first up are some cards. I'm not sure which. I think it's these. I think it's this factory set. Let me double check it on the computer. 1992 Dungeons and Dragons trading cards factory set, $24.99 plus shipping on top for this. All right, next up is, well, this has to move. All right, next up is a Cattleman Cody little action figure guy. I think it's early 80s. Here we go. Wrangler brand. Cattleman Cody. This is actually kind of cool. Let's see what year this is from, if I could tell. I don't think it has the year on the packaging, but I would guess like early, like maybe 81 or 82, somewhere in there. That's what it feels like anyways. $19.99 plus shipping on top for that. Sold a Nintendo Wii. This is the last one I have. Nintendo Wii console only right here. It actually has a number 2 on it. Is there a number 2 in the title? Yes, there is. All right. So yeah, this is tested, working, and I got $24.99 plus shipping on top for that. Just the console. All right, next up, this is a lot I made a pretty good while back. These Batman keychains. I think, how many of them are in here? Let's see. Tell what they are. 11 Batman keychains. Here they are. I'll make sure I have 11 here. They're actually pretty cool. Look, this is a multi-tool. All kind of cool stuff in here. This is a nice little lot. This is actually going out to a viewer. Check this one out. It's pretty heavy. A little metal Batmobile thing. There's a few that are kind of plain. There's a Joker. These are pretty cool. $29.99 plus shipping on top for those. Going out to Matt, a viewer of the channel. Thank you, Matt. I appreciate it, and I hope you do well with them. I think you bought them for resale on a second eBay store you just opened up. So I hope you do well with them, dude. Okay, we got another viewer sale coming up here. This is for Brett. He bought some comic books, and he bought something else too. So the comic books are C6. So I'm gonna pull this out. This is supposed to have C and D in it. So, comics I'm looking for should be in here, I hope. All right, we're looking for C6. Aha, Green Lantern. There we go. Let me put this back up. Okay, the other thing that Brett bought was an autograph card. It's a Star Trek card. Some lady named Carolyn McCormick. So let me see how long it takes me to find this. Might be one of these. Let's see. Red hair lady, it looks like. I don't see her yet. Where are you at, Carolyn? She might be in the other binder. Where are you at? Aha, there she is. Carolyn McCormick is her name, and I'm going to drop her in a top loader. Let's see. I have some top loaders around here somewhere. Yep, got a big old thing of top loaders right here. I'll drop her in a top loader and get her right to you. Thanks a lot, Brett. I appreciate the business, man. The comics sold for like, what, $9.99, I think? Go back and look. $9.99 on the comics, $10.99 on the card. So thanks again, Brett. Okay, next up is a Bose Aviation headset bag or case or whatever. This is a little soft case for some pretty expensive, for a pretty expensive headset. I bought 2 of these little bags, cases or whatever, at an estate sale, and this is the second one that sold. They're both gone now. I wish I would have had the friggin' headsets. I got $17.99 plus shipping on top for this. Okay, I sold another one of those little Funko reaction figures. Where are they at? I think they're in here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. These have actually done pretty well. I don't think these are to a viewer. If they are, then I apologize. I didn't see a note or anything. Let's see. Yep, this is him right here. And I'm sold out of Deathstrokes now. I've sold 4 of those at $5.99 a piece plus shipping on top. All right, next up is a Wonder Woman new 52 action figure. Let's see, I think it's in this stack right here. If it is, it's on the bottom. Yep, there she is. Here we go. There's Wonder Woman. It's a new 52 action figure, new in the box. And this sold for $14.99 plus shipping on top, going out to a viewer named Tennille. So Tennille, thank you so much. I hope you love it. I think you will. Okay, sold the second of the 2 models I had of, oh, here we go. Forbidden Planet models. I had 2 of these. They were slightly different. One of them had like sounds and stuff like that. And the first one actually went to a viewer. This one is going to a non-viewer, I guess. But yeah, I got $79.99 plus shipping on top for this. So that's a really good one there. All right, this is an interesting little sale here. The Jesus Film original 11x14 lobby cards, a lot of 8. And if you see how I did that photo there, all that is, that's 8 photos of all the cards. And I used a app called Layout. It's just called Layout. It's a free app, and I think it's free anyways. I believe it is. I don't think I paid for it, but it lets you make collages like real fast. You just tap, 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 and then it shows you like several different arrangements that the collages could be in, and then you save it out as a JPEG, and then you're ready to go. I think that was a perfect way to show them all on the thumbnail. So maybe something to keep in mind. I gotta go pull this thing. It's in like a, I actually listed quite a few of these lobby cards a long time ago, and they're in a stack. I haven't had to, oh look, the Jesus ones are right here on top. That's cool. I got some stuff on top of it that I better move so I don't bend the Jesus cards up. Well, let's see, I get them out. There we go. All right. Yeah, so these sold for $19.99 plus shipping on top. Let me make sure that these are just the Jesus ones. I think they are. Yep, there we go. So yeah, I'm glad to see some of these going. I think this is gonna go, oh, this, I actually got priority shipping for that, which is good because they're not heavy, but it'll allow me to actually protect them really well. So yep, good sale though. Okay, next up is a Sony DVD VCR combo. And it's just the combo. There's no cables included. There's no remote included or anything. I just sold the combo by itself. And I just didn't have any spare AV cables around at the time. So I try and pick them up when I see them out there real cheap. But I just don't have any. I listed this on like Thursday, I think. And I think it's sold on Friday. What'd I get for it? I got $44.99 plus shipping on top. So that was pretty good. Also with this DVD VCR combo, weirdest thing, the last I think 3 of these things, or maybe 4 that I've sold in a row, they all say the same thing. They all say the same thing. There's a message with it. Let me pull up the sale here on the computer. There's a message with it that says, once again, there's a weird message with this order for the VCR. No invoice, please. It's a gift. Which is really weird. I mean, isn't that a strange gift to give? Like, how would you feel if, you know, like for your birthday, you meet your friend, they hand you a big box, and you're like, oh boy, what's in here? And you open it up, and it's a friggin' VCR, a used VCR. I mean, I try and act surprised anytime I get a gift, or happy anytime I get a gift, but man, it would be hard for that. It would be really, really hard. So anyway, I hope they like their gift. All right, next order is these. Well, let me take these cars off the top. These are the cars that I currently have at auction. Next order though is these showcase things, Hot Wheels showcases. These are for like displaying your Hot Wheels cars, and I got a bunch of Hot Wheels in these, and I've had these. I knew these had some value. I've had them sitting around for a while, but you see they have little holes there, like screw holes, where you can mount this on the wall. That sticker is actually upside down, where you can mount these on the wall and display your Hot Wheels. So I listed all 5 of these in a lot Thursday or Friday, I think, somewhere in there. And I put them up at all 5 for $39.99 plus shipping on top, and they got bought pretty quickly, either that day or the next. No, it wasn't Thursday, it must have been Friday when they got bought, because a viewer, Todd, bought them all for $39.99 plus shipping on top. So thanks a lot, Todd. I appreciate the support, man. All right, a few more viewer sales. Let's see, they're in this little thing here. These are some Japanese figures I listed months ago. I've sold a few, but I actually sold a couple to Chris. Let's see, I gotta look at the photos on here. All right, this guy right here I sold for $14.99, and then the other one that I sold, I actually took an offer on. Let me pull him out of here. Let's see. The other one is Baitan Seijin. I know I'm screwing up this pronunciation. Rare Bandai Soft Vinyl Ultraman Blue Lobster Claw. Where are you at, buddy? He must not be in here. I would recognize this thing, I think. Make sure. Must have, oh wait, is this, no, that ain't him. It's like an alien looking dude. All right, I gotta go look around. Okay, I found him. It only took like 30 seconds to find him. He was back there. Yeah, I got 25. I took an offer on this for $25 plus shipping. I had it listed for $40. So coming your way, Chris. Really appreciate the business, man. Hope you like them. Well, I actually showed this the other day, but it didn't actually go out or even get packed. Sold on Friday. This is that Batman Beyond black and white figure that I took an offer for $250 on. So going to get that packed and out today also. All right, next up I've got 3 very small sales. I actually listed, when I first started my second account, I listed a lot of really cheap stuff on it. Not that I don't sell cheap stuff otherwise, but I listed a lot of cheap stuff on it to as like feedback builders. And this is one of those. This is actually going out to a viewer named Gavin. He bought Street Racer for Atari 2600 for $2.99 plus shipping. And no, I do not recommend selling individual common Atari cartridges. That's not a good way to do business. So just put that out there. But Gavin, I hope you like your game. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. All right, y'all remember the infamous 30-day challenge drawer? Well, here it is. I'm not doing the 30-day challenge. I quickly lost interest in it, but I sold one of the games from it right here. Dishonored for Xbox 360. Again, $2.99 plus shipping on top. This is going out to a viewer also named Tony. So Tony, thanks a lot, man. I hope you like the game. I appreciate the order. All right, the last thing I have going out is a Johnny Lightning car. Supposed to have CBS or something like that on the back. CBS Sports. Okay, here we go. This little guy right here. $3.99 plus shipping on top. So all 3 of those were from my second store. That one's actually not going to a viewer, believe it or not. So yeah, that is it. That's all that I'm pulling that's going out today. It fits on this table. It's actually a pretty good bit of stuff though. That's some more room, getting more stuff getting out of the shed. So not quite as much leaving as came in this weekend, but I did buy some big stuff this weekend too. So anyways, I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. I really appreciate y'all watching. I'll see y'all again tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.